My name's Derek Power and I invented the Hoverwagon. Welcome to my humble little shop. My name's Derek Power and I want to tell you about the Hoverwagon that I invented. I needed something other than a car to get my kids to school. So the idea was to come up with something that's functional for the city, because parking a car is a pain in the ass. And I love hoverboards. I had the wagon already and I love propulsion, so I took my mechanical skills and came up with an attachment for the hoverboard to the wagon, and then jury-rigged some handlebars on it to make it functional steering. And after a year and a bit, we've got something that's super fun, simple tool to use to get your kids to school, to go to the beer store, to go to the grocery store, and it's actually quite safe and fun to use. And the folding cart has been like a joy since I found it, because it's just cool mechanics. It folds up like to 8 inches wide. Okay, that is a car that takes 2 kids to school, is 8 inches wide and only stands 3 feet high.
What do you do?
Okay, so listen before you get on.
Yep.
You step on 1 foot, 2 foot, hands on here, nice and slow.
Yeah.
And then just think of your toes tipping forward ever so slowly.
Good.
Okay? Not like that. There's no, it's all very smooth and soft.
And you're gonna walk beside me.
And I'm gonna hold you.
That's a nice combo, man.
Thanks, bro. We've got to the production side of things just through strict interest by people at the school, mainly, where I drop my kids off in the morning. So now I'm making custom ones for them, but really you can't make too much custom stuff in a garage that's only 10 by 10. So after about the 100th time being stopped and asked about the product, the Hoverwagon, my wife said, you know, maybe you should look into finding somebody to help you make it, because you cannot make it in the garage any longer. So what I've done is I reached out to all the hoverboard manufacturers that I know of, and Tim TM was the only one who got back to me from Gyro, who makes some kick-ass hoverboards. That was super cool and really excited about a product. And that's how our relationship has been struck up. And making stuff is so much fun for me. To have a person in China to understand that this is actually marketable and to move it forward is really great. And that's where the groove is. So we're gonna stick with that. And we're gonna take full advantage of his expertise and getting this to the market at a very cost-effective price for everybody.
My name's Tim. I'm always believe there's more applications with the hoverboard. One day, I get an email from Derek. I'm so excited with the Hoverwagon idea. We almost talk about half hour per day, improve the ideas, improve the product. Finally, we found the solution. Now, we need your support, bring this to the mass production.